Courtney, a project expert. Welcome to our FAQ series, Glad You Asked. Today's question is, how do I choose the right generator for my new steam shower? Let's start with what a steam shower is. A steam shower is an enclosure that traps hot, moist air created by a steam generator. People use steam showers to relax, hydrate, and improve the appearance of skin, and even help relieve sinus congestion. A steam shower is similar to a regular shower stall with a couple of important differences. First, in order for the steam shower to work its magic, it has to be trapped in an enclosed space, so the shower doors will go all the way to the ceiling. And the entire shower surface, walls, floor, and ceiling, has to be made of material that can stand up to hot, humid air. Today, we are going to focus on one of the most important and complex factors, choosing the right size steam generator. Let's go over the 4-part formula for sizing your generator. You can pause the video to jot down the numbers at each step or find the details in our steam shower buying guide down below. First, you'll need to calculate the volume of the shower's enclosure. To do this, multiply the enclosure's length times width times height. Jot down this number. You'll be using it in the next steps. Next, make adjustments for the type of materials used in the enclosure. If your enclosure is glass, marble, or stone, you'll multiply the volume by 110%. If your enclosure is ceramic or porcelain tile, you'll multiply the volume by 40%. Make note of this number too. If the enclosure is more than 8 feet tall, you'll need to adjust for that. To do so, multiply the volume in step 1 times 15%. Finally, add up the totals from step 1, 2, and 3 to arrive at the total volume. To better understand this formula, let's run through an example. If we have a 5 by 5 foot marble steam room with 9 foot ceilings, first, we'd multiply 5 times 5 times 9 to arrive at a volume of 225. Then we'll calculate the material factor for marble by multiplying the volume from step 1 by 110%, which is 247.5. Next, because the ceiling in our example is taller than 8 feet, we'll need to multiply the volume from step 1 by 15%, which is 33.75. Finally, add those three numbers together. 225 plus 247.5 plus 33.75 for a total volume of 506.25 cubic feet. Plug that number into the room volume range field at build.com to narrow down the right size generator for your steam shower. To learn more about steam showers, including some great tips on how to use them, check out our buying guide by clicking the link below. And visit build.com to shop for everything you need for your next project. Tune in next time when we answer a new question on Glad You Asked. Thanks for watching.